If you suspect that your Yahoo Mail account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo sign-in helper. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your information. Input your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number associated with your account. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Verify your identity. Choose a verification method, such as receiving a code via SMS or email. Follow the prompts to receive the code and enter it in the provided field to verify your identity. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. Step 5. Review account security settings. After regaining access, check your account settings for any unauthorized changes. Update your recovery options, enable two-step verification, and review recent account activity to ensure your account is secure. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Yahoo Mail account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Always remember to keep your account information updated and monitor for any suspicious activity regularly.